step into a world where nature and design come together in perfect harmony. Imagine walking through lush landscapes filled with vibrant colors, delicate fragrances, and serene corners that invite you to pause and take a deep breath. Every path seems to lead to a new discovery where flowers bloom in every shade imaginable, creating a living tapestry that celebrates beauty in its purest form. Here, gardens are more than just greenery, they are expressions of elegance and tranquility. Picture spaces where carefully sculpted plants and thoughtfully placed features create an atmosphere of timeless charm. Soft breezes carry the gentle whispers of leaves, and the sunlight dances across open spaces, highlighting the artistry of every element. These gardens are designed to be a sanctuary, a place where the outside world fades away, leaving only calm, peace, and inspiration. Whether it's a space that feels intimate and enchanting or one that exudes grandeur and sophistication, each garden tells its own story. Curved pathways, hidden nooks, and ornate structures draw the eye and invite exploration. The harmony between natural beauty and crafted elegance makes every corner captivating, where every step brings a fresh perspective, a new angle to admire, and a sense of wonder that lingers long after you leave. From the soft charm of delicate blooms to the majestic allure of grand designs, these gardens are a celebration of life and artistry. They inspire relaxation, reflection, and appreciation for the natural world in all its glory. Every visit is an experience, every glance a reminder that beauty surrounds us, waiting to be discovered, cherished, and remembered.